last island you can see. Just got this couple small islands over there. Now, I just want to show you guys this look down here. In this type of turn, it's full power actually. We are here in another point going on here. Fast craft. It goes much more faster than ours. We're finally here at city. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the trip because just behind you can have a beautiful view. So we're just gonna sit here and do the trip.
Oh, udah kau urun.
No, this is my friend. This is my friend.
Aku ang may kuya.
Hey, this one. I got you.
You get it.
Okay.
Okay, sige,
I'll be right back.
Hey, my friend.
Hey yo, what's up? So guys, actually I was sitting waiting, thinking that maybe we're gonna depart at 12 o'clock. So I saw people working out after an announcement. They were heading straight to the ship over there. So I asked her, there was a lady standing there, I asked her and she told me I have to go straight to the boat called Rina Bandera. So I don't know exactly. I'm just gonna go there and ask, maybe they're gonna let me board or they're gonna tell me that it's not yet my boarding time.
Doon sa may host.
Good morning. How are you?
Pilar?
Yeah. Thank you very much. So I'm actually here, and they told me it's the right boat I have to take right now to go. So actually I don't know where I'm just gonna sit because I'm new. So this place over here, it's where some passengers can bring the cars, the trucks, the motorcycle, whatever. You can just park them here. And once we arrive at another destination, we just go down and drive it out. So actually, I think I'm just going to try to plan this way entrance. I see a little bit entrance in there, so I'm just going to try to pass this way and see how it looks like. So I have to actually cross these stairs. So we're going to get at the top and see. See how it looks like. It's pretty full of people. They actually got a little store here where you can buy soft drinks or beer, whatever you want. Driving the motor. Okay, see, so actually there's another compartment here. Maybe you can have a seat here. So I think we're gonna go at the top and try to see to have a better 360 view. So just over there you can see there's another ship going to maybe from Masbate city to Pilar or somewhere else. So that's the name over there. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep going this way. Let's just keep going up. Try to have a best seat. Sit here. You can see how it looks like. This compartment is kind of a little bit small, not very big. Some people say. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the trip because just behind you can have a beautiful view. So we're just gonna sit here and do the trip. So right now I'm in the ship heading to Pilar. Pilar is a small city in the province of Sorsogon. Yeah, that's where I actually take the ship to come here in Masbate city. I spent 2 days here. I visited a lot of places and it was just amazing. So I just bought the ticket right now and then they told us we can start boarding. So I just came and you can see how the ship looks like. It's a huge one. When I was coming, I used a small one. It was not really big. I used this one. This one is pretty big. There's a lot of compartment. I mean, like first class, economic, but you can sit whatever you want. There are some people sitting down, so I was down. I was like curious to see maybe there's some more seats on top. And then I just arrived here. Here there's like less people, not too much, but you can have just a beautiful view from here. You can see it all windy day, sunny day, amazing view from this place. So I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy the trip with you guys. For me, it's the first time riding this kind of big ship. So the trip gonna be around maybe 2 hours and 30 minutes, or no, not 3 hours and 30 minutes, or 4 hours, because this ship goes actually slowly. It's not fast. It's just like that one over there. Yeah. So actually, I'm gonna tell you guys a little story. I was about to do a big mistake actually, because I was waiting to, because when I was buying the ticket, I saw it was written that the ship departs at 12 o'clock. I didn't know people already start boarding. So I saw people moving around, going in. I didn't know exactly what was going on. So I asked the lady what was going on. She told me, no, that's your ship over there, you have to go. So I just came, I gave them the ticket, and they allowed me to get in. See, we have some small boats moving around, going and coming. All one, I think they are private. They're not like this one's here. So I'm just gonna enjoy the trip, and you guys gonna enjoy the moment with me. I'm just gonna be sitting here, my back over there. I'm just gonna sit at the last bench, yeah, the last line. Just have an amazing view. And I think just over there, you guys maybe you cannot see it well. So up there, it have a lot of light time. Yeah. So guys, last time when I arrived 2 days ago, this is the fast craft I took to get here in Masbate city. This one it's actually called Montenegro. It departs from Pilar to Masbate city. So this one goes pretty fast, but it's not like, it doesn't take a lot of people. The number of seats are limited, but it goes really fast. When you ride this one, you have only like 2 hours 5 minutes from Pilar to Masbate, where we are right now. It really goes fast, but it's a little bit much more expensive. You have to pay around 720 pesos to ride this one over there, but it's much more faster. So if you want to go fast, I think you should go for this one. But if you want to save some money, you should go with the biggest one, like this one over there. Yeah. So this is the one I used last time, but I couldn't have a nice view because the seat I had was not really good. It was not window seat. It was pretty hard. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. So guys, actually this is the slowest craft. This one goes much more slower. It's exactly the kind of I'm right now in this kind of boat. Yeah, so I'm filming from a boat just similar to that one going over there. You can see how it moves. It moves pretty slowly. That's why it takes like around 2 hours, 3 hours from maybe Pilar to Masbate city. So you really gotta be patient because it doesn't really go fast. So actually this one is arriving from, I don't know, it's reading MV Padre Pio. So that's it. Yeah, so guys, actually we're departing from Masbate port right now. Right now I can see the boat right now. It's reversing, getting out of the port. And it's kind of a little bit dangerous because we have a small boat just passing behind. And the ship on which we are right now is reversing. So actually we have to be careful try to pass a little bit faster. So the time right now is 10:45. So the trip will be around maybe something like 3 hours or 4 hours. I don't know exactly. It depends. So I just want to show you guys. Just look down here. In this type of turn, all is full power actually. This is how it looks like. So I think it's gonna turn. Okay. You can see. That's where we came over here. We came this way. port trip is over there. So the entrance of the port is just over there. And what we did, so we're back here. We had to reverse from here and then a small U-turn. So guys, that's for you. That's for you. Just to show you the whole trip. From Masbate City to the port of Pilar. Masbate port actually. You can see we are actually moving. Slowly but surely. You can see how it looks behind. So I think maybe after 2-3 hours we're gonna arrive at the destination. Because I actually have to arrive at Manila today. But the trip gonna be long. When I was coming I had to ride a bus like for 14 hours. We're riding and stopping away, it was pretty hard. So right now it's still gonna be a very long travel, a long trip. So that's it for you guys. Departing from Masbate City. See you again later guys. Time to time just gonna update you guys, show you, because we're gonna pass through some small islands. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of islands. When I was coming I was like using my Google map to try to see where we are actually. So that's how it looks like behind. I'm actually departing right now. From here you can really feel the boat moving. It moves slowly, but I feel like it's going kind of fast. For me, something really new today, but I just decided to do it for you guys, show you guys, share with you the adventure I'm having today at Masbate. It's far away from Manila City. You have to ride a bus like 13 hours. It's very hard. So, actually, I think we're not already at the full speed of the ship right now, because we're kind of still exceeding the port. So it has to be careful, have to go slowly. And once we're gonna arrive at maybe 5 kilometers from the port, then you'll see the speed gonna change a little bit. It's gonna start to go a little bit faster. Anyway, at the end, I think it's fine. That's fine. The most important is that we should get at Pilar, and at Pilar, I'm gonna take a bus to head to Manila City. That's gonna be the longest part of the trip. Yeah, but that's fine. Actually leaving the port of Masbate City. Yeah, we're still in the port. I think after maybe 5 to 10 minutes we're gonna be in the high sea. I'm just standing here at the end of the boat and very close, just on top of the engine. In French we call it hélice. So I have to stop turning and just stop under here, pushing the boat forward. So it's so dangerous even to be here, you know. You have to be very careful. How to grab very strongly, because if you fall, if it happens to you to just fall down here, you just get crushed by the engine, you know, the engine, or I don't know how to call it, the engine. Stop pushing, it's over here. It's just moving and going, you see. So if you just fall here, that's finished for you, man. So guys, actually I just wanted to show you guys something. This island you see in here, just from here till over there, is called Ticao Island. It's an island actually close to Masbate City. So this island over here is called Ticao Island. It's also like a city, I don't know exactly, but that's the name of the island. And then just here, over there, that's Masbate City, the island. It starts there and till there. You just have to go straight. So we left Masbate City just behind here, and then on the other side here you have Ticao Island. I'll show you guys a couple of minutes before when we were still behind. So it's it's a small island, you know, but when you're closer it looks like it's really big. So this island over there, see it goes. We're very super close. So I'm just gonna go a little bit closer and show you guys. We've been riding now for like, let's say, almost 2 hours, because we left at Masbate port at 10 o'clock. So the time right now is 12. At 10:45. The time now is 12. So it's been almost 2 hours. They told me the trip gonna be like a 2 hours trip. I don't know exactly. You can see how you got a lot of people watching, looking how the boat is going over there. Now we're still close to this island. I told you guys it's actually called Tikau Island. Maybe one day, once I'm gonna visit again Philippines for another trip, I could maybe think of going there and see how it looks like. It looks like it's not too developed. The Masbate City is just off there, not real straight. You can steer this way, but you can't see it anymore. You have to see some islands over there. And then you have the powerful engine that's going down here. Because if something happens to you and you have to jump, it's gonna be like super dangerous for you. So as I told you, there's a ship going right now. We have like different compartments. Like here, for example, we have the toilets, the cars. Some people sitting over here. Other people sitting up there. So I was sitting up there. Like 1 hour, it was kind of a little bit hot. But personally, it's kind of hot. We have some breeze coming in. It's different from the fast craft. Fast craft is very hard, you know. You guys are like close to a small area. You can't really move around. So just for you guys, just want to show you the view. And how nice I want to view. So actually, I think this part of the island, no one living here. But recently, like inside the island, you feel like it's like some small landslide and rock coming down the island. Yeah. So it's actually called Tikau Island for you guys. So you see the water today. There's a lot of seaweeds. The water. I was like kind of surprised to see seaweeds at this level. If you go deep in the sea, maybe you find a coral or something like that. So that's really over here. So this is what from this here. This is what it's like on the top. Actually, I was starving. I had to go away. There's like a small store where you can actually buy some food, some drinks. Very cheap. So maybe later I'm gonna take you guys there and show you guys how it works like. Because it's really kind of strange, you know. Everywhere I go, I love people are like, man, what's going on with this dude? I always stand out, you know, because I'm kind of different with them. We still have like 2 hours to ride before arriving at Pilar port. So I'm just gonna go see and try to enjoy the view a little bit and share with you guys time to time. But actually, this is the last island we're gonna see. After going forward, there's a couple small islands for there. Now we're just gonna go on the sea. You know, there's nothing else to see. So that's it. Sunny, but we're sitting on the shelter, but it's so hot. You can see the place, there's no aircon, no AC, so just gotta hope the winds come in and try to, you know, bring the temperature down a little bit. I can tell it's kind of hard. Look, you can see I'm kind of sweating right now. So actually, as I told you guys earlier, they have kind of a little shop here, a small store, like a sari store here in the Philippines. So it's just downstairs. You just have to go down and buy whatever you want. So I'm just gonna take you guys there, and I'm just gonna buy a bottle of water. Outside it costs 12 pesos, but I don't know how much they're gonna sell it here to me. So we're gonna go together, and I'm gonna show you guys. slowly and watch your step. So I went a few minutes close by Mountain View. So when I was there, I found like there's a lot of people. So I'm just gonna try to make my way to there. So as you can see, at this level is actually another place where there's a lot of passengers sitting here. Hello, bro. Yeah, can I have a bottle of water? Water? Yeah. So actually, this is store, as I told you, you can see they have a lot of stuff. Hot water, cold, and some drinks. How much is it?
30, sir.
Sorry?
30.
30. I'm going to take a bottle of water. He told me it costs 30. Yeah. 20 plus 5. Tell me 5 and 10. It's okay? Yeah, welcome. So actually, this bottle of water costs 30 pesos here. As you can see, I'm just gonna explain to you guys something. You see the store. You can see people around here. How it looks like. When I came in. I think somewhere here. Once I came here, I saw a lot of people sitting, and then I said maybe it's better to go upstairs because you can have a nice view. So actually, this is a bottle of water I just bought right now. Here on the boat, it costs 30 pesos, but outside it's just 12. So that's a contrast, you know, but it's not a big deal. Let's just do it. At least you got a cold water to drink. I'm not gonna die of thirstiness. So I'm just gonna go up and try to take a sip of the water. So earlier I had a lot of people sitting here. So I think now this is like the end of the Tikal Island, as I told you guys. After those two islands you can see over there, we're just gonna reach at the end, and then it's not gonna be like no island anymore. We're just gonna keep heading straight until we reach at Pilar. You can see the time now, it's at 12:44. So very soon we're gonna arrive at our destination. I'm just gonna go upstairs and try to sit where I was sitting and try to drink this water because it's super hot. So I think the water costs so expensive because it's actually the water. It's a kind of branded water. You can see it's written Montenegro line. So it's the water from this ship, this company. Yeah, so that's it. Yo, what's up, people? It's still BT right here. This is your guy BT over here. Yeah, finally we arrived. We arrived in the port of Pilar, sorry. I keep on forgetting the name. I don't know. We just arrived. We are just arriving right now at the port of Pilar. So over there, the boat is actually trying to park. Well, we're just gonna get down. So the ride was pretty long. It was a 4 hours ride. But it was pretty good. The boat was not going fastly. The most important is that we arrive at destination in safe hands. You can just see behind, and some passenger already start going down to avoid people trying to push each other to try to get the exit faster. So after 4 hours, we departed this morning at the port of Masbate at 10:45. So we're arriving right now here at the port of Pilar at 2:30. Those houses close to and maybe I think just 2 minutes. Just gonna park over there. The boat gonna get in. So actually, I'm heading to Manila. So from Manila to here, Pilar, it's 14 hours bus riding. So it's not pretty easy. So I'm coming right now from Masbate to Pilar, 4 hours plus 14 extra hours from Pilar to Manila City. So I don't know if I'm gonna find a bus going to Manila right now. So I just hope I'm just gonna get one ready to go, because otherwise I have to wait like for 1-2 hours. I don't know exactly. So that's it. Actually, see how it looks like. Some people are very excited. Just over there have some live jacket. And case of accidental incident. So I'm just gonna exceed that. It was a great pleasure enjoying this trip with you, sharing this experience with you. It was something new for me. It was my first time having such an experience. It was a great pleasure sharing it with you guys.
Mating ticket?
I'll buy the ticket there.
Yeah, you have ordinary or econ? You have aircon?
Aircon, how much? One thousand.
1 per head.
So actually we just arrived at the port of Pilar, and we're just struggling to exit right now because people are kind of exiting slowly. Just gotta wait a little and then we keep on going slowly. So actually this exit way, you just have to exit this way. There's exit here and there's no one there. So I think we're just gonna take this one and try to get out this normal.
Alis na tayo!
Well, the train
Pasay
was
ko ba? PITX! PITX!
now we're just inside this way. And you can see it. When I was coming, this place was full of cars, tricycle. You good?
You get the ticket there?
Yeah. It's in Masbate. You? No,
You have
I'm
the
good.
ticket there?
No, okay.
Sa kuya yung pasayro!
Okay, so actually, when I was coming, no, I'm with you together.
Oo, unang kaurang!
No, this is my friend. This is my friend.
Ako ang may kuya.
So actually, when I was coming here to go to Masbate, it was this man helping me, giving me information.
Ako pa kayo napasakay.
I just came down, he recognized me and he told me, okay, I'm just gonna help you to take a bus and go back to Manila City. So you can see we are leaving the boat right now and all the passengers go down. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Hello, my friend!
Okay, this is my friend from Pilar. So that's it. They're actually waiting some passenger to get out of the boat where the cargo stops. So what am I gonna buy?
You are aircon? Or
Aircon.
ordinary?
Aircon, how much?
Aircon 1-3.
1-3. Ordinary 1,000.
1-1.
1-1.
Yeah.
Okay, aircon.
Aircon? Yeah.
So actually, I'm trying now. I'm struggling to try to get a bus to head to Manila. There's two different type of buses. If you want to take the one with air condition, you have to.
If you're waiting, you'll pass up in this
This
another
way.
pass up there.
Yeah.
And another pass up.
Oh.
No.
So here we are, back to the departure area. So just right now. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Cubao. This one?
Bad.
This one?
Bad.
With aircon?
Aircon. Bad. Aircon.
No. My friend.
1-3. Yeah.
My friend.
Going to Manila, sir?
Yeah.
Over here, sir! Over here!
Actually, no, that's not.
Right, kasi kayo matigay.
Actually, we have to take a
Halika na.
bus.
Hey.
This one? I'm gonna take this
You
one.
get the ticket there.
I'll get this one.
Okay.
Sige,
Wait, I'll be right back.
Hey, my friend.
Hey, yo! What's up?
Aray, sir.
So actually, just got in the bus.
Hey, yo! Okay!
I'm just gonna get a seat right now. It was kind of full people.
Welcome, come on in, Joe!
Hopefully we're gonna get a seat.
Ini na hindi.
It's really kind of full people, but hopefully we got a nice seat because last time when I was coming it was kind of a little bit tough.
No. This is ano.
I think behind the last behind because I'm tall.
Sir, sir. Hey, Origi.
Finally got a seat here in the bus going to Manila, to Cubao City. Just got just trying to chill, relax until we just arrive at our destination.
Manila ka man?
Okay, so
Manila?